Objective Petrology, multiple choice questions with answer. These are the collection from various previous years question papers and hope these are useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 8. First question. A texture in which phenocrysts form clusters has been termed as A. Serrate texture, B. Spherulitic texture, C. Glomeroporific texture and D. Peridiomorphic texture. Correct answer is C. Glomeroporific texture. Next question. Pebble grade size according to the Wentworth wooden scale is A. 256 to 128 millimeters, B. 64 to 32 millimeters and C. 32 to 64 millimeters and D. 64 to 4 millimeters. So the pebble grade size according to Wentworth wooden scale is 64 to 4 millimeters. This was the question asked in Civil Services exam preliminary 1991. Next question. Sideronitic texture is a feature pertaining to A. Immiscible liquid segregation, B. Magmatic injection, C. Early gravitative segregation, D. Late magmatic segregation. So correct answer is B. Magmatic injection. Next question. Rocks with equidimensional minerals formed under regional metamorphism of slates are A. Hornfels, B. Scans, C. Eclogites, D. Amphibolites. So hornfels, these are the rocks with equidimensional minerals formed under regional metamorphism of slates. Next question. Sediment-filled eroded channels preserved in stratal sequences typical of many deltaic sequences are called A. Soil marks, B. Washouts, C. Sand dikes, D. Flute casts. So correct answer is B. Washouts. These are nothing but the sediment-filled eroded channels preserved in stratal sequences which are very characteristic of many deltaic sequences. Next question. It's a match and following the question. Like there are ABCDs given and list 1 and list 2. A. Autoclastic, B. Anemoclastic, C. Bioclastic and D. Atmoclastic, and in the list 2 Lewis, glacial till, coral reef, bauxite are there. So we have to choose the correct answer from the choices given below. A. A2, B1, C3, D4, B. A3, B2, C1, D4, C. A2, B1, C4, D3 and D. A1, B2, C3, D4. So here the correct answer is D. A1 means autoclastic, it's a Lewis, and then anemoclastic it belongs to glacial till, and bioclastic it belongs to coral reef, and atmoclastic it belongs to bauxite. Next question. Consider the following. Again match the following questions. 1, 2, 3, 4 are given and here 1 biotite, 2 starlite, 3 almandine, 4 chloride. The correct sequence of minerals with increasing grade of metamorphism is given by choices are A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 4, 1, 3, 2, C 4, 1, 2, 3 and D 4, 3, 2, 1. So the correct answer is B, that is 4, 1, 3, 2. That means chloride, and next biotite, after that it is about almandine, and after that it is starlite. This is the correct sequence of minerals in the increasing grade of metamorphism. 8th question. The basic difference between gabbros and basalts is A. Gabbros are feldspar rich while basalts are feldspar poor. B. Gabbros are feldspar poor while basalts are feldspar rich. C. Gabbro has plagioclase while basalts lack plagioclase. And D. Gabbros lack plagioclase while basalt has a plagioclase. So the basic difference between gabbro and a basalt is gabbros are feldspar rich while basalts are feldspar poor. Next question. The end product of fractional crystallization of a basaltic magma is A. Gabbro, B. Granite, C. Telluride, D. Diorite. So the end product of fractional crystallization of basaltic magma is obviously it is an acidic, that is about granite. Next question. Suture zones are demarcated by A. Green schist, B. Blue schist, C. Amphibolite, D. Eclogite. So suture zones are demarcated by blue schist. Next question. Blanket sands are associated with A. Quaternarites, B. Arcosus, C. Gravex and D. Calcarenites. Blanket sands are associated with the type of quartz Next question. Rocks in which modal olivine exceeds 90% are termed as A. Kimberlite, B. Saxonite, C. Websterite and D. Dunite. Correct answer is D. Dunite. Here when in the dunite the modal olivine exceeds about 90%. Next question. Porphyritic granites rich in orthoclase are called A. Adamalites, B. Uplites, C. Rapakivi granites and D. Monzonites. So porphyritic granites are rich in orthoclase and these are called as Rapakivi granites. Next question. If andesite undergoes weathering, it will give rise to A. Greywacke, B. Orthoquartzite, C. Arkose, D. Calcarenite. So correct answer is A. Greywacke. Next question. Feldspar is absent in A. Gondite, B. Cordite, C. Condylite, D. Charnockite. Feldspar is generally absent in Condite, whereas in all these cases, Cordite, Condylite and Charnockite, feldspar is present. Next question. Spandite is a peculiar type of feldspar, occurs in the hybrid rock of A. Condylite, B. Cordite, C. Gondite and D. Charnockites. Correct answer is B. Cordite. In this, spandite is a peculiar type of feldspar. It occurs in this condorite. Next question. The process responsible for rims of augite enclosing olivine crystals is A. Fractional crystallization, B. Gravity settling, C. Assimilation, D. Magmatic mixing. So this process is known as a fractional crystallization. It is responsible for the rims of augite which encloses olivine crystal. Next question. Eclogites are distinguished from the amphibolites on the basis of A. Pyroxenes, B. Amphiboles, C. Garnet, D. Plagioclase. So this is important. Like eclogites are very characteristic feature due to the presence of the pyroxenes, and they can be distinguished from amphibolites on the basis of these pyroxenes. Next question. Perthite, quartz, sillimanite and pyroxene are present in A. Condylite, B. Charnockite, C. Eclogite, D. Amphibole. So correct answer is B. Charnockite. This was a question asked in Civil Services exam 1990. Next question. The highest temperature and the highest pressure phases among the following is A. Granulite, B. Eclogite, C. Blue schist, D. Sandite. So correct answer is B. Eclogite.